It's Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Yana.
Yana.
Barney.
Barney. Good job, Barney. You need to exercise.
Josie, get over here. Josie,
Josie.
get yourself up.
Oh, that's a lot of effort.
Huckleberry.
Huckleberry. Okay.
Yana.
Yana.
Barney.
Good job, Barney. Good job.
Josie.
Josie. Josie, don't
Huckleberry.
show some enthusiasm.
Yana. Barney.
Barney.
Josie. Huckleberry.
Practically have to put it in her mouth.
I know it. Yana.
Yana.
Barney. Josie. She's just polite.
Is that what it is?
Huckleberry.
Or lazy?
Yana.
Yana.
Barney.
All right, Barn. Good job, Barn. Good job, Barn. You're back in your
Josie.
relaxing position. You have to-
Huckleberry.
Huckleberry.
All right.
Yana.
Yana.
Okay, Barney, step up. This is Barney.
Barney.
Step up. Step up, Barn. Good job, Barney.
Josie.
It's a lot of work for Barney.
So, well, if Josie can lay down, so can I.
Yeah, exactly.
Yana.
Yana. Y'all are pretty calm today.
Barney.
Barney.
Josie.
Josie's a very calm.
Huckleberry. All right, just a couple more rounds, guys.
Okay, we're almost
Yana.
done.
Barney.
Up, Barney. Oh, Barney, that was kind of weak.
Josie.
Weak. Go, Josie.
Huckleberry. All right. Yana.
Go, Yana. Come on, Barney. Work for it, Barney.
Josie.
Josie.
Huckleberry.
That's
All
it,
right,
babies.
that's
That's
all.
all.
That is all.
I'm sorry, that's all. There's not any more.
I think you had plenty.
There's not any more. You've been stalking Oma, waiting on your pancakes. That's all, baby. That's all. I don't think she's going to make any more today.
No, I'm not.
I think he's just going to hang out right there just in case.
Probably.
Just in case.
Just so I step over him while I cook.
Well, he's thinking cook. That sounds good to me. It's for the people. She's cooking for the people. That's all, babies. Good job, babies.